multiply, part A. The directions could have also been perform the indicated operation, because here it's implying multiplication. In part A, what you are not allowed to do is write this as 1 square root of -5 times -125. The reason being is because multiplication of radicals in this format is only defined if the individual radicals are real numbers. The individual radicals are not real numbers, they're imaginary because it's square roots of negatives. So you cannot rewrite it as a radical of a product. You have to keep it as a product of a radical. So for the first one, this is the same thing as square root of 5, square root of -1, which is 5i. I'm sorry, square root of 5i times. This guy is the same thing as square root of 25, square root of 5, square root of -1. What is square root of 25? What is the square root of 5? Square root of 5. What is the square root of -1? I. Alright. What is square root of 5 times square root of 5? Stand up. What is the square root of 5 times the square root of 5? Just 5. Hold on. What is that 5 times this 5? 25. Period. Okay, so these three parts combined now make 25. What's I times I? What is I squared? So what is 25 times -1? -25. Right. We have a monomial times a binomial. What do we do with that 6? Distribute. 6 times 4, which is a show that needs to stop. 6 times -3i, -18i. Done. C, another monomial times a binomial. -4i times 8. I gotta do that again. -4i times 2i. Well, the -4 times the 2 makes. I times the I makes. But what is I squared? What is -8 times -1? Oh, minus 32i. Right. We have a binomial times a binomial. What do we have to do? FOIL. First, 60. Outer. Inner. Last. -12i squared. What is -12i squared? No. -12i squared. +12. The +12 plus the 60 are now like terms. So what's our real part? How many i's do we have?